It looks like beta 3 of One UI 4.0 with Android 12 is now out and available as of October the 22nd for eligible Galaxy S21 devices in regions that are running the beta program through Samsung members. This time around, things seem to be focused on fixing and tightening up certain bugs with the UI. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy exclusive and new videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here's our quick early findings on beta 3 with One UI 4.0 with Android 12. Within the software information section, under the baseband version, the last 4 letters ZUJB signifies the latest beta build 3 of One UI 4.0. In our early findings, the main focus of beta 3 looks to be on the overall fixes based on feedback from before. For errors such as the phone restarting after changing the theme, an error that ended connection and text to other devices, Bixby not working with the lock screen, and forced termination of the UI system. It does also state that the Google Android open source project final release has been applied, meaning that we could be getting closer to the final release of One UI 4.0. We might still get one more beta build to iron out things and make the experience smoother, but overall this is a good sign. With all that in mind, there are some improvements and additions added to beta 3. Starting with color theme, within the color palette option you select of your choice, there is now a toggle to apply the palette to the app icons. This mainly looks to affect the default apps in One UI like the phone and gallery. This in a way makes it easier to spot the default native apps as they now have their own standout color compared to the other apps. This effect does not seem to be the case for the default Google apps like Gmail, but we'll have to see if these changes come into the final version or the next beta. There are now more pet lighting effects in portrait mode, such as big circle, spin, and zoom, in addition to the previous that were available. These extra options show up once you've taken a shot and want to change the portrait lighting effects. Now, what also looks apparent is the removal of ads in the UI, including the native apps, and also the overall improvements to animations and what looks like a new weather app, which really nicely transitions from light to dark when scrolling down. We'll be keeping a close eye and taking a deeper look at beta 3 and any future beta builds of One UI 4.0 and keeping up to date with any new findings all the way until the final release. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications, and we will see you next time.